Silhouette's website is broken. They're working on fixing it, but it affects a lot of things. Like now you can't get to your library of files that you've been downloading from the Silhouette store. You're not going to be able to update your firmware, and you're not going to be able to register a new machine. How bummer is that? So what can you do with your Silhouette right now with the website being down? Hey, I'm Christy from Crafty Christy's Creations, and I'm here to help you master your Silhouette. Today we're going to talk about the things that you can still do with your cutting machine even though the website's down. So let's jump in and get started. Okay, the first thing that you can do is you can still design your own files from scratch, but you don't want to save them to the Silhouette library. You're going to want to save them somewhere on your hard drive. So you can certainly still create your own items, and I'll throw a video up here that's going to show you how I did a knockout design from scratch that you can easily follow along with and do that yourself. Now, because like I've been saying all along, is you don't want to save your files to the Silhouette library in case of things like this happen. You always want to have access to your designs. So you want to save them to your hard drive. Or get yourself a lovely little thing like this, an external hard drive that you can just plug into your computer so you're not using up all the space on your actual computer. Because, you know, if you're like me, you hoard designs and they take up a lot of space. External hard drive, you want to save your files to hard drive, not to the design software, so that way you can use them whenever you want. The other thing that you can do is you can still import files from other places. So that way you can still cut files that you have from on your computer. And I will have a video up here as well to show you how to download a file from the Etsy shop and then bring that into Silhouette Studio and how you can still use it. Now, to make sure that you can keep cutting during all of this craziness with Silhouette, I'm offering 40% off on my Etsy shop right now, and that's going to be good through June 30th of 2024. And I put the link down below, so you can just click that link and that'll go ahead and apply the coupon for you for that 40% off. That's huge. I don't do this very often, but I want to make sure that you can keep creating. So make sure you use that link and get you some new files, because I've got great stuff on there, especially, you know, Father's Day is on Sunday. Did you get your card made? But I've got great cards like this one, and this one that you can grab from my store. And then when you download it, I've got a page in there with instructions that'll take you right to the blog post to show you how to get it all assembled, so that way you've got it all done and you can get that beautiful handmade Father's Day card done just in time for Father's Day. Okay, so those are two ways you can still use your Silhouette even though you can't get access to the website.